Epistemology. I don't know if it's a movement but
I think so.
Yeah. And it's sort of become the new atheism. As there's a third person sitting across the room, and they just want to know what's true. They'll believe Buddy Holly is a god if Buddy Holly is a god, and they'll believe that Jesus is a god if Jesus is a god. What could we do? Is there any test? Is there a way we could set this up to find the truth value of one belief over the other belief? Because it doesn't seem like both could be true.
So if we had a third person, you're saying if we had a third person and you needed to explain your belief to this person,
the third person just wants to know what's true. And they're asking our help. They're asking our help to help them figure out what's true. What information could we give them? And so
that's good.
Yeah. And so, of course, there's probably not too much information. That's the conundrum.
Yeah.
And you're exposing them to this paradox. You're exposing them to this conundrum. You're not telling them the conundrum. That won't work.
Right.
You're having them think about it. And you're having them discover critical thought on their own. You're not telling them how to do critical thought. They're doing it. You've just allowed them to make a big step because they're trying to hold two diametrically opposed views in their hand at the same time, and they can't. They think this one's true and this one's not true, but they can't tell you why. And they can't think of a good reason why that would be. They're on the road. And that's true epistemology.